Today's featured car of the day is a 1973 Volvo 1800 ES shooting brake. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $13,250. And I'll read from the seller's description. Owner comments, no reserve, purchased the car March 2016 from Oliver Prins von Anhalt, the adopted son of Zsa Zsa Gabor. Before his death, car has undergone a restoration to driver-level standards, runs, drives, and shows excellent, and it has 106,149 miles. And then it was the four-cylinder with the manual transmission. And it was a pretty nice car. Did a nice restoration for driver standards. And as far as the Volvo goes, 1973 was the end of the line for the P1800 model. Introduced that in 1972 as a two-door shooting brake layout. They ended up making a total of 8,077 of the sports estate. So it's called a sports estate or a shooting brake in England and Europe. They ended up making between 1961 and 1963 the P1800 model. They made 39,407 coupes and, like I said, 8,077 sports estates. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1973 Volvo 1800 ES, which sold for $13,250 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.